just shot is the heritage site that they have put up the statue of Shivaji, which is totally illegal and inaction of the police to stop the illegal activities. The statue has been put there and it's shown that it is legal, but it is not legal. And the police are protecting it and guarding it, which should have been actually stopped by the police and not allowed to be put. However, the situation is under rise, the tension is under rise. Definitely it's going to be showing some difference. And as such, we will know what is the difference by putting on the heritage site, which is not allowed, which is illegal and which cannot be done. Today we are standing in Valpoi, our very own Valpoi, where there used to be communal harmony, peace, and everybody lived in love of one another. But suddenly last night, on 18th, tension flared up as violence broke out due to the putting up of the statue of Shivaji at a heritage place, which is not the right thing. It was not supposed to be put in that place. It was illegally put there. And some of the Muslim brothers, they got angry. Everybody got angry, most of them. With a few people around, that was removed. And again, it has illegally been put up there. Thereafter, as a retaliation, this bus has been smashed. The other one, the previously one which we shot, has been smashed. And it is also said that some gallery of this house has been smashed. And we are going to video it so that everybody can see it as what is going on. Why communal tension is flaring up unnecessarily. This is totally uncalled for. This is totally preemptive and totally below dignity of what happened.
अंदर जाओ हाँ स्टोन है
स्टोन्स भी यहाँ पूरा उड़ाए हैं आने ना
This is the house of a Muslim family which has been badly damaged by such an ugly act that they have completely smashed the glass of the grill, and as we can see, everything is fallen and smashed to pieces, and the family that lived inside, were almost like it is that they have been attacked. And it is very clear that this is an untoward incident and it's totally illegal, and I don't think the police has taken any action so far. Hopefully, we hope at least the law takes its course, because this is illegal and unlawful. This was not supposed to happen. Valpoi was once upon a time a very united place, but it's just gone in communal system, and main culprits are the politicians who ignite all this and create all the nuisance here. So each one should know what is happening here. And right now we have here what is being seen, and it's very clear. We saw the two buses and we are seeing the house which is damaged, which shouldn't have been damaged to this extent. This is nothing but a rampage, an illegal, unlawful rampage. It's really shame and disgusting to see such a thing happening here. You really know the owner of this house. He's a good man. So let him in his own words also say out his feelings.
Those people, they were speaking about the peace, and now see what they are doing. This is the way of peace. Like, terror to the family, terror to the people.
Once whenever you...
फूल को लाको फटके में उतारे ना नहीं बस कुछ वहाँ तो है पब्लिक चलते they are not going या Valpoi people don't come from Valpoi
तुम्ही कोण रे पुलिस किती नाही ना हां
शांतता आम्ही बोलतो
वालपुली का तीन ये
तो Valpoi में जो
तो बोल को तो फिटिंग है अगर का तो
न्यूज़ गल्पा तो न्यूज़
I'm Nibras from the family. Yesterday night we were sleeping and the mobs came here with many weapons like stones and many things.
Lathis.
Yeah. And he was not involved in all this. They just want to change the heritage name into the Chhatrapati Shivaji Chowk something. Yeah. And I
We
believe they are
never involved.
terrorists.
We not involved in that case.
We are not involved with the threat.
At midnight, and my father is a heart patient, and we all was crying and were a lot worried.
So what do you think of, were you all very frightened last night?
Yeah, very much. We all were crying. My younger sister and brother.
So all of you all were there inside the house. And did they just start throwing the stones and you heard all the noise?
Yeah, we heard all the noise.
Broken the glass of our house.
Yeah, glass, all the balconies, stone, and the doors and all.
Did your father and all get frightened?
Damage
because
our buses, damage our vehicles.
yeah,
They also tried to damage our cars, buses.
buses. When you all never instigated them,
No.
they just attacked you all unnecessarily, right? That's a very nice thing. Thank you. What do you think? Are you sure you are going to take? Have you taken any action?
We must take the action.
Yeah. Have you reported
We
the
all are
matter to the
unite.
police?
Yeah.
What are the police saying? Have they taken any cognizance of it?
No, so far they have not given any response.
don't know.
So we have registered a case.
Have they registered the case?
Yeah. Case
They
is
have not
going-
started the investigation.
Investigation.